Welcome to SPI Supply's video resources. This video will show you how to properly unpack and set up your OPC-80T Osmium plasma coater. Your Osmium plasma coater will arrive with several other boxes. Please examine each box for damage before opening. Report any damaged boxes. Open the box containing the coater. Inside you will find the vacuum hose. Remove this and set it aside. You will see a second box underneath. Open this second box. Inside you will see the OPC-80T as well as two additional boxes containing various parts and accessories. Remove the two accessory boxes and then remove the main coater unit. The coater should be removed by two people as it is quite heavy. Open the two accessory boxes as well as any other boxes that came with the unit. Place all of the contents within easy reach of where you wish to set up the unit. Take a minute to make sure that all of the items on the included check-off sheet are present. After selecting a location for the main coating unit and the vacuum pump, you should connect the pump to the unit using the included vacuum tube and O-rings and clamps. Remove any end caps from the coating unit, pump, and vacuum tube, and connect one of the tube to the pump and the other to the back of the unit. See the instructions for your vacuum pump for where to connect the tube to it. This must be done first as the unit is shipped under vacuum and cannot be opened until the vacuum is released. If your system came with an oil mist filter attached to the pump with the included O-ring and clamp, again, see the instructions for your vacuum pump for the proper location of the oil mist filter. Then attach the included osmium filter to the oil mist filter with the included O-ring and clamp. The osmium filter is designed so that it can be vented to a hood or exterior ventilation system, although neither of these is required. Please check with your in-house environmental and safety departments for further instructions. Next, locate the 100-volt transformer. The transformer that you will receive will either be a 110-volt to 100-volt transformer or a 220-volt to 100-volt transformer, depending on your local line voltage. Plug the transformer into your line voltage outlet, then plug the OPC system into the transformer. It is very important that you do not plug the main unit into your line voltage outlet, as this will cause damage to the unit. Turn the vacuum pump on and then turn the main coater unit on by pressing the orange power switch. Once the coater is powered on, press the leak button. It should flash while the chamber vents. Once the light has gone out, the chamber is vented. When the unit is shipped, there are two screws holding the main chamber closed. These must be removed with the included driver before the main chamber can be opened. Once these are removed, open the main chamber. From this point on, wear gloves in order to prevent leaving oily residue from fingerprints. Lay the black rubber mat inside the glass chamber to protect it from damage. Take one of the PTFE insulating plates and install it at the top of the chamber. Then find the anode and screw it onto the post at the top of the chamber. After installing the anode, install the anode ring by screwing it in. You can now remove the black rubber mat. Next, install the remaining PTFE insulating plate on the bottom of the main chamber. Install the cathode by screwing it in place over the insulating plate. Finally, screw in the cathode ring around the cathode. Once the cathode ring is installed, you can close the main chamber. Do not over-tighten any of the anode or cathode pieces, as this can damage the threads and make them difficult to remove. Remove the tape from the osmium reservoir, as well as the main unit, and install the reservoir. The osmium reservoir attaches to the main unit by sliding it in place along the guides. Please see the operation segment for more information about the osmium reservoir. The naphthalene reservoir can be removed by pulling it straight up and inserted by pressing it straight down into the main unit. Again, please see the operation segment for more information. Thank you for joining SPI Video Resources. For more information on our products and services, please see www.2spi.com or contact us at 1-800-242-4774.